Hello friends, welcome all of you to ETC Information Channel. Today we will talk about OpenAI SORA. Subscribe to the channel before starting the video. So let's start. This is OpenAI SORA, a text-to-video model that can generate videos of up to 1 minute while maintaining visual quality from text. Let's watch this video, which OpenAI created by just writing one line. A cartoon kangaroo disco dances. Isn't it amazing? This text-to-video model from SORA has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate lifelike characters. SORA can also create multiple different shots within the same generated video. The current model has some weaknesses. It can struggle to accurately simulate the physics of a complex scene. For example, someone may bite off a piece of a cookie, but later there may be no bite mark on the cookie. If we talk about safety, SORA will take several important security steps before making OpenAI available in its products. This model will be adversely tested in every way. SORA is also building tools to help detect misleading content, such as a detection classifier that can tell when a video was created by SORA. It will be used a lot in the future. SORA is capable of generating an entire video in one go or lengthening the generated video. SORA will serve as a foundation for models that can understand and simulate the real world, a capability we believe will be an important milestone in achieving AGI. So this is the information about computer inventions. Hope you liked this video. Before we go, let's watch another video demo made by SORA. This time this prompt has been given. The camera follows behind a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack as it speeds up a steep dirt road surrounded by pine trees on a steep mountain slope. Dust kicks up from its tires, and the sunlight shines on the SUV as it speeds along the dirt road, casting a warm glow over the scene. Check out the video generated by SORA. That great! It seems that in the coming times, YouTubers and content creators are going to benefit a lot. For more information about SORA, refer to SORA's official website openai.com. On our channel we try to give information within just 5 minutes. If you like the video then subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care.